Yeah, this castle is really good for brawling, so
Ito na yung
it's
scout
gonna be
ng
hard.
Western Mogi ah.
Kaya, nakuha na nila. Papunta na sila ata.
Yeah, they don't have a disarray. But they have a Gucci as
Oo,
and then
Gucci sila lahat.
a bow. Okay, so
Caller pa lang.
they can engage from over the wall. So everyone listen, we hold here lang. If the gate breaks, we hold here southeast side. They're probably gonna bonk this northwest. Death tanks get ready to watch them. Gonna try to pick them off one by one without getting any casualties over the wall. Don't overextend kasi pwede kayo mabomb over the wall.
Catch ba pag may sumilip Mogi?
Pwede habang wala pang drop. You
Dyan
step
muna,
up
baka
northwest.
pick up ka dyan. Malay mo,
You hold
naka-dismount
northwest
na
side.
dyan.
Just hold northwest side. Hold it lang sa gate. Hold it lang sa gate. Just get ready to catch someone. Scout, whatever.
Catcher. Catch.
Kanina pwede humingi ng OC. Wala akong OC ka na.
Pero,
Meron
May
igar.
terms kaya ta. Or,
May HOG na pala.
Catch ko to ha.
you wanna do this?
Okay, naantay ko. West side,
Ayun,
get ready.
ayun.
Walang nakakatch. Wow!
Natong
Hindi niyo na wala sabihin sa akin yun. Nandun na sa harap niya eh. Ano ba? Who can give me OC?
may perms kaya ta, pre.
Wala akong terms.
Tapa. Ako na lang.
Ito na, okay na.
Ito na, dito na sila Mogi ah.
Come southeast side guys, come southeast side. Yeah, listen, they have pa-watch nung ano nila. Nung
Range sila, range.
Yeah, naka-range sila eh.
Putang ina mo, ba't ka nag-skill?
Come
Wow.
southeast side.
Gucci
Get ready to fight ah. They're Gucci. So if we win, paldo. Okay?
Paldo.
Just hold southeast side. We're playing defending, so we can do this.
What the fuck?
Sige, they don't have a
Jimmy, wag ka
history.
dyan. Abot ka dyan.
Yeah, spread
Jimmy.
southeast more.
Discounted na ah.
Careful over the wall.
Spread
Careful over
yes.
the wall. Careful over the wall. Yeah, food check OC. Yung color nila. Yung naka-beam ah. Yung...
I will whispering bow 8.3.
Oh, listen. Careful leaders. Kaya ko one-shotin ng 8.3 na whispering. Beamer. Yo, just spread southeast. Yo, Death Tanks, get ready to stop. Just hold. They're playing range. Careful. They can counter anytime.
Si Script Z, yan Mogi yung caller.
Yeah. Mali naman.
Spano.
Yo, come southeast.
Kago.
Come southeast. Masakit yan. Come southeast guys. Come southeast more. Actually, let them enter here actually. Just hold.
They are not full range. They have like infernal sides. Shit tons of them.
Yeah. Just chill. 25% on the gate. Get ready defensives. Get ready to hold.
Spread.
Get ready to counter also. Yung may Hodge, get ready ah. If ever, just go deep on them. We hit their backline. DPS, get ready also. Kumamark si script pa. Yan. That's their caller. They're trying to step in. Careful shallow. Careful def tanks on the shallow. Okay? Wait. Ready defenses. DPS, look at me. Wait. Hold. Spread more southeast. Careful. The root bounce ready. Yo, Hodge, can you give me a fake? Hold. Yo, ready defenses. Look at me. DPS, everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Okay, come northwest. They're gonna engage you na. Come northwest. Yo, defense at the back. Heal up. Okay, then come inside the field. Okay? Just hold. Okay? Come southeast. Narinig ko sarili ko. Okay, just spread southeast. That's good. Okay? Just hold southeast.
Kago.
Sige lang. Huwag kayong magpapapick off sa kanila. They can engage shallow anytime.
If you're low guys, enter the gate.
Just enter the gate. Para di ka... Yo, careful over the walls. Hold. Yo, listen, I'm gonna fake Hodge, get ready to look at me. Wait. Hold on. Careful. Hold. Root bond didn't get fake Get ready. Wait, spread more at the back. Yo, just brawl nyo si scripts. Ready defenses. May root bound, get ready Jay, get ready. Hold, spread.
They're
Yo, they're walking
looking.
in east. Defense, east. Okay, then brawl. Yo, get ready Wait. Keep walking west. Everything inside though. Inside. 5. Inside 4. 3. 2. 1. Everything inside. Okay, then spread. Yo, demon inside. Demon that. If you're low, come back inside. Okay? They're gonna have engage soon. Careful. Spread. Go back
They're
inside.
looking again.
Yeah, they're looking again. Go back inside. Ready your pots, if you're outside. Ready your pots. Defense shallow. Nice. Okay, walk out again and brawl. Heal up outside. Okay, heal up outside. Yo, demon inside. Yo, find me. Shallow on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on top of me. Okay, we miss. Spread agad. Come back inside agad. We miss. It's okay.
Looking na.
Left tongue spill a bit. Yo, careful. Go back inside, guys. Careful inside. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, careful. Come back inside. Yo, regroup inside. Heal up. Careful. Si Jemmy. Pa-heal si Jemmy.
We lost SH.
Ay, naka-ano
It's
siya.
okay.
Jenny.
Combat.
Kang southwest. Okay, just hold southwest. Hold southwest side. We can play here, Lord Room. Come southeast. I still have DPS party to right? Come southeast. We play in Lord Room. Come inside. DPS spread more kayo para hindi kayo basta-basta mag-GA. Okay. Yung isang Great Arcane ko, can you actually GA the Rootbound when I'm counting down already? Para lang madali yung ano niya. Yo, come southeast, guys. Come in the middle. Spread in the middle.
Okay, si Cindy.
It's chill in the middle. Come northwest. Wait, come back east. Okay, wait. Are they walking in? Okay, spread southeast side.
Yes, they're
You let them
walking
fight inside here. Yo, everyone northwest. Step up now.
They're full engaged on the bottom.
Step up now. Yo, give me a fake deep. Walk in deep. Yo, walk in deep. As in deep talaga. Deep Give me a fake if you can. Look at me on the deep stairs, northwest, okay? Find me, heal me in the middle. Everything in the middle. 5. Everything on me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Then spread. Yo, ready your pots here. They're gonna have engage soon. Spread. Ready defenses. Yo, spread, boys. Spread. Ready your potions. Good GA. Spread. Defend the back. Heal up. Nice. Ball. Heal up on everyone. Yo, start balling them inside. Yo, demons inside. Judy's also, okay? Just sustain. Find me. 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds, okay? Brawl this north side, okay? Yo, find me, everyone. Everything in the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. On me. Okay, then spread. They're gonna engage soon. Spread again. Yo, spread again. Ready your potions here. Yo, spread more. Defend the back. Good defenses. Heal up fast. Keep brawling. Yo, keep brawling. Give me a fake hodge if you can. Okay? Yo, don't go far northeast. Yo, keep brawling northeast now. Okay? Yo, find me. 5 seconds. Deep northeast. DPS, walk in. Deep northeast. Walk in deep northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Oh, di umapit yung ano. Okay, come back. Yo, spread. They're gonna engage soon. Spread more. More. Defense in the middle now. Defense middle. They miss. Brawl. Keep brawling. Yo, keep brawling them. Kill the low people. Focus on the low people, guys. Push this northeast side. Push this northeast side. Healers, push it also. Okay, I'm gonna fake. Find me. I'm gonna fake only. I'm gonna fake. Yo, get ready. Walking deep. Hodge, look at deep. By the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the stairs. Nice clap. Then spread. Yo, full defend in the middle. I'm dead. Spread.
Go west.
Spread.
Spread na. Bail.
Yes, run.
Sayang.
Putang ina, may next challenger pa par, Hounds.
Nandun rin sila.
Oh,
Mas
nandun
pudo
sa
rin
Northwest
daw.
Gate.
And season's coming, and there's texture
Sila good.
coming also.
Kevin versus Tina.
Nagmintis yung realm breaker ko dun sa isang engage sayang. Nakita ko yun.
Save yourself, guys.
Yun, listen up guys, okay?
Shit.
They're playing like majority club, right? The only brawl they have is either the Qs of the Infernals or the Astral, right? So we can sustain that by just dropping Judy's and